What's up, guys? Theo here from Shanghai, and just starting my day. I'm going to meet my customer, and today we are going to visit some suppliers. So I just booked a car. The car just arrived at the hotel, and now I'm on the direction of the hotel. It's just like 15 minutes by bike, it's not so far. So I'm getting the mobike and going to his hotel. Later we'll have a driver, so take us to visit some factories, and then all the factories are located in Shanghai, so it's not a big deal, but yeah, doing our mobikes here. Let's get it, let's go. We are visiting this factory right now, the washing machine factory. So this is the first one. It's a pretty big one. I will just make a recap of the factory. We're just walking around and check all those places, and it's a pretty big factory. I'm very impressed with that. I found this factory, so then we are just visiting now. The guy's just checking around. It's pretty good, like the salesperson's talking with him, and yeah, this is the first factory. It's a huge one. My hair is red. I need to cut it. It's really big. I think I'll do that tomorrow. Just finished our visit here, this factory. Now we are going to have some lunch. Now it's 12 o'clock. Just get some food.
Placa da TGS.
Eu vi. And then go, I don't know, to visit the second company. So it's raining here in Shanghai today. It's pretty not so good. But yeah, let's get some food and then go visit the sector factory. Luck is in Shanghai this time, because then I have time to go back home pretty soon. So this is the second company that we are visiting here. It's a pretty big one as well, but much smaller than the first one. As you can see, they also produce laundry machine, like drying and stuff. Those are some equipments here, and yeah, this is the second one that I'm visiting, and probably the last one. And yes, pretty good. Second company that we are visiting. I was just inside now, just make a short video. We just arrived here, I don't know, 1 hour ago, and we're exploring about this factory. It's pretty small compared with the first one. I knew that was small. I told my customer, hey, that company is small, and but if you want to go there, the price is cheap, so just go there and check it out. But that's the problem, like most of my customers, they don't believe it. Like when I say if they charge, the guys are charging lower than the other companies, something is going on, like, so exactly what's happening. I just arrived here, and then like the factory is just okay, like, but the guys want like a big company, like something like Brazilian standard. So it's hard to find something like that with lower cost, like if you want to find a cheap solution here in China, you just need to find like a low, I don't know, in the countryside, but they won't guarantee quality to you, like, so that's the point. But anyway, we are just here, we made it. Now finish our visit here in the factories. Now going back to home. So now it's like 4 o'clock, so still have like 30 minutes or 40 minutes until we arrive in Weining station. And yeah, the visit was pretty good. Two good factories that I can say. The first one for sure was bigger, and the second one was okay. They also can produce, and it's just like made a decision which one you think it's better price and more convenient to buy. And yeah, it was pretty good. And now going back home, because it's almost 5 o'clock and companies doesn't work here in China after 5, so it's good to go. And tomorrow we will visit 2 more factories, and then we will see. Just finished here, going back home finally. Like, I love to do this kind of jobs because we finish pretty early. But if I go to the countryside or like another parts of China, then I hate that. But yeah, if it's like Shanghai, for me it's fun. My hair, I need to shave it, it's too big. But anyway, finish my job now, going back home. Now I need other things to do, but like for myself, self things, you know, like that's the plan. Just now go back home and finish that. But yeah, today was good, like visit some factories, but tomorrow we will have see more. So we always give the food to the cat, that's the plate. So we are going there to give him, you know, like he's calling Shabu all the time. I ask, hey, how is the cat? So we always prepare some cat food here to give the cat. Something cool here in China, you know, when you come to the supermarket, all the fishes are alive, so you just can select the one you want. So they put in a, or they can kill for you, and then yeah, you can, when you choose a fish, basically it's alive, so you can see if the fish is healthy and stuff like that. The Chinese people really like that. So as you just see here, I see all the fishes are alive. My back, and even if you go to the restaurant or supermarket, they always have that. And yeah, that's pretty different style than what you have in Western when you go just to the fishes and they're already dead. But in China, most of the fish are still alive.